Speaking about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition cover display, it has a centrally positioned full-punch camera, a design feature that is becoming more and more common. Though his account is presently secret, recent leaks from the always trustworthy Evan Blast on X suggest some intriguing changes for this model, giving us even more. These leaks are intriguing since they seem to indicate an improved back camera system and a somewhat more streamlined design, which is great news for anybody who enjoys photography. In relation to cameras, this update has the potential to be revolutionary. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold isn't quite up to par with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 trails behind the Galaxy S24 Ultra. At the moment, no folding smartphone in North America can compete with flagship camera systems, which is a significant issue. The $1,900 foldable phone from Samsung has the same back camera setup as the $800 special Galaxy S24, so it has a lot to prove. Since there haven't been any significant changes in over 3 years, you can guarantee that people are excited to see what comes next. Speculation regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition is growing, especially in light of its potential camera capabilities. The Galaxy S24 camera components used in the standard Fold 6 are adequate for daily shooting, but they fall short of the superior quality offered by flagship handsets such as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Recent leaks from Burst indicate that a significantly more potent 200MP sensor may take the place of the current 50pm primary camera in the Special Edition. This modification confirms prior reports of a possible Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra model, exciting enthusiasts with the prospect of new possibilities. It would undoubtedly be a more appealing alternative than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Thin if it included a 200MP primary camera, but there's more to come. A new aspect ratio and revised display sizes are also expected in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which might improve the user experience overall. When the device is closed, it is expected to display a 6.5-inch display, which is 0.2 inches larger than the standard Fold 6 screen. The primary display may grow to a full 8 inches, which is slightly larger than the standard Fold 6 7.6-inch screen. This increase in screen real estate is a welcome enhancement for users who enjoy multitasking with multiple apps open at once. The OnePlus Open and Pixel 9 Pro Fold, two rival smartphones, are going toward a more rectangular shape, making it unclear if Samsung would accomplish this greater screen size by extending it horizontally or vertically. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.